Hi guys, my name is Dr. Farrell. I am a doctor at Baker Family Chiropractic Center, and I just wanted to answer a couple commonly asked questions in the office. And one that we usually get is, what is that popping sound when you get adjusted? And a popping sound, which is the adjustment, is a release of nitrogen and pressure within that joint that we are adjusting. And once you get it adjusted, that pressure, that nitrogen gets recycled into it's called the cerebral spinal fluid. And once you do that, that's going to help relieve some pressure in there, and you're going to get more range of motion throughout the spine. So if you haven't been adjusted lately, you should come check out our office. We're open 6 days a week, and come in and we can evaluate you and see if we can give you a true adjustment. Area code 209-527-8560.